Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a very unique car. It's a 1949 Oldsmobile Rocket 88. Completely modified. It looks very different. I don't think you'll ever see one like this. It's got a 409 under the hood with dual quads. 4-speed transmission. It's a Muncie M20. Sitting on Cragars. Man, Lee, I love the side pipes and stuff.
Yeah, she's pretty. Very unique.
It's got a C1 grille up front. Very unique.
You won't see this if you walk in the water.
Oh man, especially with a 409.
Yeah.
Just had the brakes all redone. Want all new drums, right?
Drums all around.
Shoes.
Yeah, manual.
Okay. Cylinders you did, right?
Yeah, master, the whole system was completely redone.
Love the old school Cragars wrapped in BF Goodriches. Those look pretty new.
Yeah, they are.
What kind of rear do you have?
It's a
9-inch?
9.3 Posi.
Okay. Posi Rear. Man, she gets up and goes, I bet, huh?
Oh yeah, it's like a rocket.
Love those side pipes too. Chrome up front. That grille really sets it off. You check out under the hood? Man, she is in there, huh?
Sweet car ready just rebuilt.
409, it's got 400 horsepower.
Yeah, pretty much.
Range.
Exactly.
Long tube headers leading out to dual exhaust. Yeah, nice setup with the dual quads. Manual steering, manual brakes.
Yep.
Man, she's a beast, huh?
Yeah, those are actual carburetors actually better than
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, cool car. Very unique. Nice lofty bench seat. Man, that's a cool steering wheel too. Showing 2,606 miles, probably 102. Old school stereo. Man, even these gauges are pretty old school. Very cool. 4-speed Hurst Shifter. And it's a Muncie. Even has a sunroof. Roof does not leak, but I would not open that. Little round speakers in the back.
She actually has an AMS on 8-track.
Oh,
Still
really?
Works.
Oh.
Tapes. It's got a power antenna, which is pretty crazy for this type of car.
Right, very cool. Man, I have never seen one like this. Not hot rodded anyway. These cool slides on the window. Very unique. Hey Lee, can you fire it up? Man, I love those side pipes.
Yeah.
So cool.
Makes the car.
It really does make the
Got
car.
grill in front.
Right? Got a recent tune-up too. Looks like new plugs, wires, cap. New alternator. Got crazy fuel pump. That is so cool. Man, what a unique car. Can we buzz it around the block? Let's go. Yeah, I love that tag. That's pretty cool. Super comfortable too, huh?
Yeah.
Is this your power antenna right there?
That's it.
Cool. I love the whine of that Muncie. Sounds so good. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. Also took about 180 or so photos today. Check them out on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.